Okay, in this video, this is her extra battery. So we both have an extra battery, and we have our battery went through 50/50, and maybe we'll restore it, maybe not. Most likely, I'm guessing it'll be used for modules, but we'll see, and maybe some parts. So it looks like here, we can restore those parts, and might be a good battery in general. We just find if there's only a few modules gone bad, maybe we'll replace those and have a good pack. But with her battery, which we're using for the video, with block 12 was bad. Block 12 still bad and consistently diagnosing as bad. I said, well, let's measure the cells first, or the modules, and they all tested good. All the modules are 7.87 to 7.94. So it's going to be kind of like here, probably the sense wire connector. So we'll check that out next and see where that is.